We started off as good friends. The world was ours to explore. We played in Africa and ran through the stars. But then the autumn leaves began to fall, and our summer love began to fade. But something always brought us back to what we were. But this time everything changed while my eyes were closed. And I realized that the ground could no longer hold my feet, while the roots of the earth were beginning to pull you down. And I flew young bird, why do you cry? The autumn leaves are changing too, and I know soon you will have to fly, leaving everything you once knew. But young bird, tears I cry are far your sorrow, and I know that the place you once called home will never feel the same. And I will always be who I've always said I was. And though the times may change, my heart will stay the same. And all I wanted to do was just be in love with you, and I had my eyes set on you. But time took your heart and changed who you once were, until I could not recognize your face. My young bird, I love you so. You are always on my mind. You mean more to me than you'll ever know. But I know you have to fly. So young bird, open your wings and take to the sky. Be